Hello, good day to it's Andy Wright Travel, and a quick story that I've seen is about the Emirates A380. They've got a new cabin for Premium Economy. It looks very nice, and they've done a promo video, a very short video that I will show you, and it shows that they have done a really nice job. We don't know what the cost of this is going to be, but Premium Economy sounds like a good thing to have for long-haul flights, and I believe that they are one of the very few now going to Thailand. So if you're going to go there, you're probably going to end up with Emirates. Bear in mind that BA are not doing any flights until the end of this year, 2021, and Thai Air are very doubtful. They are in receivership, and they have grounded most of their aircraft, and the only other direct flight that I know of is Either Air, and I presume that they are still flying because they don't really terminate at Bangkok. They pass through, but the only way to get there, as far as I can see, is a stop-off flight. So one of those is Emirates, and of course you can go 6 hours and 6 hours, and of course a stop-off time in between. I don't like them, but it may be that I will have very little choice soon. So let's have a look at the video, and then I will give you some slightly disappointing news. Okay, so having watched that, it all looks very nice. Obviously, we don't know how much it's going to be, but the disappointing aspect of this is in news at the moment, released 2 days ago. This is a story: Emirates Premium Economy, you won't be able to buy tickets for now. So here's the carrot, but you can't have it. So basically, the reason that they're saying is until more planes are fitted with the product, the experience will only be available as a complimentary upgrade for the airline's loyal economy customers. So that rules me out, because I've never been on Emirates flights. It's been remaining closely guarded secret for months. The airline's break from its free-class cabin debuted on the newest A380 aircraft delivered from Hamburg. The Premium Economy cabin seats 56 passengers in a 242 layout. They have 40 inches of pitch, which has a width of 19.5 inches and 8-inch recline, which I find, could be a little bit annoying, having somebody put their seat right back. So they've got a 13.3-inch full HD screen, and the tables come out of the armrest. So there you go, that's the story. So don't get too excited because they're not available yet. Have a good day, catch you later. Bye for now.